Welcome to Cole Heating and Cooling Services, LLC, your go-to solution for all HVAC needs in Cowan, Missouri, and beyond. At Cole Heating and Cooling, we ensure your home or business is comfortable in every season with our expert heating, cooling, and indoor air quality services. Whether you need a quick repair, a new system installation, or a custom maintenance plan, our skilled team is dedicated to providing top-notch service tailored to your needs. We proudly serve Cowan, Branson, Springfield, Ozark, and more surrounding areas, ensuring you receive personalized care with integrity and professionalism. Your comfort is our mission, and customer satisfaction is our priority. Ready to experience unparalleled HVAC service? Call Cole Heating and Cooling Services, LLC today at 417-551-2726 or visit us at colevac.com. Let us be your trusted partner in maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment all year round. Your comfort is just a call away.